how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and then send it to another wallet. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is open the Cash App on your mobile device. Then tap on the Investing tab represented by a rising curve icon at the bottom of the screen. Then choose Bitcoin from the list of options and simply just tap on the buy button and select the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can also choose from the quick options or tap on the three dots to enter a custom amount. And after confirming the amount, tap the buy button at the bottom and you'll be asked to enter your PIN or Touch ID to confirm the transaction. And once the transaction is completed, the purchase of Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Now you need to find your Bitcoin address on Cash App. So if you need to know how to find your Bitcoin address, simply just go to the Bitcoin tab and then tap on the wallet section and then your Bitcoin address will be displayed. Then lastly is sending Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. So first thing you want to do is basically just go to that other wallet and then copy the address. So first thing is go to the wallet address and prompted confirm the transaction, and then your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address will be used to facilitate the transactions. So basically just select the Bitcoin tab, tap on the send button, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and then you'll be asked to scan a QR code or manually enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address, which is what we did right here. So just double check the address and make sure to avoid any mistakes. And lastly, you want to confirm the transaction details and tap on send.